What's up, guys? Today is Monday. That means it's Cornwell Monday. We're on Mr. Joe's truck, so y'all come take a look, see what he's got.
Hey guys, it's Monday. What another great day. Hope you all had a great weekend. I got a few things to show you. First, we talk about grilling. It's that time of year. What better way to get a koozie? It's camouflage, so only you know where it's at. Your buddies don't know where it's at. They don't get your beer on you. Or whatever you're drinking. Barley pop. It says Cornwell on it too. They're only like $5, so you can't go wrong.
That's it. That's nice.
And if you need something to make your shop look good, we got one of these here.
That's a very nice metal sign.
They are only 14 bucks. Not a whole lot, so when I give this to Mr. Clay, which I have already done just now, because he didn't know it, it's not expensive, but it goes in his shop.
They do look good.
We got you covered, Clay.
Well, thank you.
We have the Paintless Dent remover. I'm just going to leave it kind of laid out here. You got all the different pieces and stuff that you need. Part number is LT820. And for a second I forgot the price, but I will let you know in just a little bit.
So how does that work? You don't have to drill holes, I'm assuming, and repaint.
You don't have to drill holes in that. You got a strong magnet. You know what I like? Cheat sheets. They give you a little DVD how to do it, but you see the guys in parking lots where cars got hail damage, and they're able to go up underneath it, and they're able to take that little dimple and smooth it out without having to do any real body work as far as the paint. It's a tedious job, but when you get good at it, you get paid good for it. I mean, that's how these guys do it. They'll go somewhere, somebody got hit with a bunch of hail in an area. They got their next 6 months worth of dinner paid for.
There you go.
That's the thing. It's a skill. It's a trade. It's something we handle. We had the part number, and I'll get your price a little bit. I'm sorry, I just kind of buzzed it out of my head. We were talking about, coolers, good stuff. I got this. I think it's from Knee Pro. They're knee pads, but what they do is they swivel at the knee. You got a nice thick foam pad, non scratch surface. A couple things that's nice. It pivots with you, so it's easy on you. Once you get the strap set, it's got the easy push on, push off. All it does is fit in the hole, pull it on, so you're not having to lace the strap, pull it tight, have it readjust on you all the time. Same thing taking it off. All it does is pull right off. So from the several pairs I went out this morning already, guys think they're more comfortable, easier to go, and they are like 43 and some change. Let's just say $44. Okay, I mean, it's right there.
It's a nice looking knee pad too.
Yeah, you got a star on there. It looks like stripes, stars and stripes. I'm always with that. We have a Milwaukee. Look at that. Didn't think we had one. Something new here. It's a little air compressor. You got your hose. You got in the back. You can set up, for inflating footballs, soccer balls, basketballs, your other tips. When you turn it on, if you hit the plus button and just hold it in, it'll go in increments of 5s. Or you can go exactly what you want. Go up's too far, you can hit the minus. You can set it for whatever you want. This turns it on. When you turn it on, when the tire, whatever you're inflating, gets to what you have set, it'll automatically shut off. And that way you're not overfilling something that you don't need to be.
Right.
You can be working on the next thing and put it on the next tire or whatever you need. Football. So yeah, it's football season, so we'll talk about that. These are $175. $175 with the kit. Gets you a charger and a 4.0 battery. 4 amp hour battery. It's a 12 volt battery, 4 amp hour. So you get the big battery, nice heavy duty kit.
Got a bunch of them too.
And if you're using the Milwaukee tools, which I'm sure you are, some of the bits you don't get to see or get in most kits. This is a number 2. It's a 3.5 inches long. And the reason we don't see them in a lot of kits, guys got to buy them in 25, 50 count to get them. I got them on the truck. I also got the number 3s and number 2s that are 6-inch long. Now, they're like $5 a piece.
Right.
I got one guy, he has me buy all of them. He'll buy 1 or 2, but it takes a while for these to wear out. I mean, all the other tools, all the other bits, he just wears them out like crazy. Works at about both places. So these are the things that hold up. So I says, if it's something you're gonna get, I'll stock for you. And some of these bags are getting kind of empty. It means he's using them, so.
That's a nice inflator though, it really is.
Yes. They don't take up a lot of space. They don't weigh a whole lot. But they're good, they're handy.
Batteries last very long on them?
You know, it didn't, I don't think it really has.
I always ask the hard questions now.
So, you know, we gotta look. I'm looking, I don't have my glasses on, so I'm faking this big, guys. Oh, it says the hose length is 26 inches. I didn't think it was that long.
Right.
So I learned something new. I can read a little bit.
Goes from 0 to 125 PSI.
120, yep.
120, yeah.
It don't give run time.
Okay.
Or it's on here and I'm not seeing it yet.
Always ask the hard stuff.
I know.
Always ask the hard stuff.
I always never answer it. That way Clay has something to always ask me to make me look foolish, you know? I tell him I can do that easy enough on my own. I hope y'all have a great week. If there's anything I can do for you, let me know. We'll see y'all later.
Well, thank you as always. Alright guys, Mr. Joe's card is going to be at the end of this. If y'all need anything, be sure to shoot him a text and he will help you out. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up. There we go. And subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.